get that wet.
Yep, it's fine. No, not.
We'll know in a minute. Depends how well you boiled it.
Oh, it's all about you, Susie. And she wins!
Yes, thank you.
She passed the test.